Welcome to Savvy Style and DIY. My name is Kerry and today I'm going to create a paper mache bowl inspired by the high-end retailer Ateliers in Los Angeles. They have a unique style full of vintage pieces and lots of character. So let's get started. I'm using this large red ceramic bowl as a mold to create my paper mache bowl. It'll be similar to the ones you see here in this Ateliers image. I thought this bowl would be the perfect shape and size as it's already footed and I will not have to create the foot like some other DIYers have done. It's also got this design on the outside which I thought might be a nice effect on the inside of my bowl. We shall see. There's many ways you can make paper mache, but I decided to go the budget-friendly route and use cardboard from toilet paper rolls. I actually prefer the look of this method compared to the other methods I've seen. It has more texture and an aged stone look, which is what I'm going for. I've been collecting these paper rolls for a few weeks, and here I'm breaking them up into small pieces. This is quite time consuming, so I suggest you put on a TV show like I did. It goes by a lot faster. I started with about 20 rolls. Once they were in small pieces, I added hot water and let them soak for 20 minutes. I then used my handheld blender to obliterate them even further to get a smoother consistency of paper mache. And then I removed most of the excess water using a sieve and squeezing it out with my hands. To prevent the paper mache from sticking, I sprayed the bowl with oil and added cling wrap to cover the entire bowl. I don't have an exact recipe for this paper mache. I'm going to use 1 cup of joint compound, which I have a huge box of it in my garage from previous projects, and then I eyeballed a cup of Elmer's glue. I don't think it's necessary to stick to an exact recipe. I do most things with my intuition from previous experience. Hopefully this will not backfire on me. I put on disposable gloves and started applying the paper mache with an even thickness over the bowl. I didn't make enough paper mache to complete the bowl, so I had to make a second batch. I did a deep dive around the house to find more toilet paper rolls. Once the bowl was completed, I put it outside in the 100-degree California heat to dry. After 2 days in the heat, I thought it was dry enough to remove from the red bowl. I was very careful removing it as I did not want it to break, and I was surprised to find that it was still not dry, so back outside it went into the 100-degree oven. On the following day, it was dry and quite hard. The rim of the bowl looked thin and broken, not exactly the high-end look I was going for. I was running out of toilet paper rolls by this stage, so I used an egg carton. This worked really well, if not better. I added the paper mache to the bottom of the bowl for a level and durable surface, and then to the rim of the bowl. I patiently smoothed and reshaped the rim until it resembled the appearance of a high-end bowl from Ateliers. I laid cling wrap on the board and flipped the bowl upside down to create a flat surface on the rim and left it to dry outside. I had some paper mache left and decided to use it to create a detail around the bowl. I rolled out the remaining paper mache into long skinny tubes and added them all around the bowl. This was turning into quite a lengthy process. To complete the bowl, it was time to paint. The paper mache looks a lot like aged stone, so I wanted to continue with that look by adding layers of paint. The first base layer, I added the color linen with a bit of white mixed in. I painted the entire bowl with this color. I added more layers of neutral colors to create depth. I may have gone through a few colors. Honestly, who knew the path to aged stone could be this colorful? This bowl went through more phases than a Hollywood starlet. Will I ever use paper mache again? Yes, for sure. Is it a lengthy process? Oh, absolutely. However, I feel the end result is worth it. I'm absolutely in love with this bowl. It has that stone aged look and a lot of texture, which I really love. Let me know in the comments if you agree. Please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos like this.